Hi, I'm Jazmyn, the Safer Storage Systems Project Manager on site to show you through one of our latest projects. Installation is well underway here at this brand new distribution centre, which will feature over 17,000 pallet spaces of our sustainable Silverline Pallet Racking. Because we manufacture right here in Melbourne, this allows us to have shorter lead times, so we can deliver materials to site within just 4 weeks of project confirmation. Right now we have over 50% of our frames already standing, and we're at about the halfway point of our 8-week schedule. We're working closely with the customer and the trades on site to coordinate our installation while sticking to our program. Let me show you through.